Welcome to Lesson 3 of Let's Learn Shona. Today, we're learning how to greet people, one of the most important parts of any language. In Shona, greetings are more than just words. They show respect, warmth, and connection. In this lesson, we'll explore 3 types of greetings: formal greetings, used with elders and respected people; casual greetings, used with friends, neighbors, and family; slang greetings, used by young people and close friends. You'll hear the greeting in Shona first. Then we'll explain what it means in English. Try to listen and repeat each one after the Shona speaker. Let's begin. We're starting with formal greetings. These are used when speaking to elders, strangers, or respected people. In Shona, using respectful words is very important. Many of these greetings begin with ma. Let's learn how to greet politely in the morning, afternoon, and evening. After each Shona word, listen and try to repeat it.
Mangwanani. Mangwanani.
This greeting is used in the morning. It means good morning. The response is the same.
Masikati. Masikati.
This is a simple midday greeting. It's like saying good afternoon. The response is exactly the same.
Makadii zvenyu. Tiripo zvedu.
This is a polite and respectful greeting, often used with elders or strangers. It means, how are you all? The response means, we are doing well.
Maswera sei? Ndaswera zvangu.
This greeting is used during the day. It means, how was your day? Or, did you spend the day well? The response means, we spent it well, or, we're doing fine.
Manheru. Manheru.
This is the greeting for evening time. It means, good evening.
Moro. Moro.
This is a casual greeting. It means, hello. You respond with the same word.
Hesi. Hesi.
This is a very simple and polite greeting, similar to hi or hey.
Wakadii zvako. Ndiripo zvangu.
This means, how are you doing? Used informally with someone close.
Waswera sei? Ndaswera zvangu.
This greeting is used during the day. It means, how was your day? Or, did you spend the day well? The response means, we spent it well, or we are doing fine.
Zviri sei? Bo.
This is a relaxed way of saying, how's everything? The response means, I'm good, or all is fine.
Ndape. Ndiri bo.
This is a casual what's up.
Ndape. Ndiri right.
Again, this greeting means what's up. Great job! You've completed Lesson 3. Now it's your turn. Go greet someone today using what you learned. Which Shona greeting was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with a friend.